If your Binance account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Gather necessary information. Before you start the appeal process, collect all relevant information related to your account, including your account ID, any emails or notifications from Binance regarding the restriction, and any supporting documents that may help your case. Step 2. Access the Binance Support Center. Visit the Binance website and navigate to the Support Center. Look for the option to submit a request or appeal. This is usually found in the Help or Contact section of the website. Step 3. Fill out the appeal form. Complete the appeal form with accurate details. Include your account information, a clear explanation of the issue, and any evidence you have gathered. Be concise and professional in your communication. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Once you have filled out the form, review it for accuracy and completeness. Then submit your appeal. Make sure to note any confirmation number or reference provided after submission for future follow-up. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for a response from Binance. This may take some time, so check your email regularly for updates. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up with customer support. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on Binance involves gathering information, filling out an appeal form, and waiting for a response. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of a successful appeal.